Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. BJP stronghold areas divided into more constituencies to win more seats. Number of constituencies changed to manipulate reservation. Part 1 of ZP Farce. MGP awaiting alliance proposal reply from BJP even after 10 days. BJP gives deaf ear to demand. MGP on back foot pleads for alliance. Crime branch closes Nadia Torado death case. Big relief to Mickey. No evidence. Mickey was a political rivalry victim, says closure report. RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan suggests strong steps for facilitating students with education loan. Banks reluctant to give education loan fearing non-payment. And Sarvodaya can put icing on the cake with GPL title in Golden Jubilee year. Ozone fuels Royals' ambition. And now the news in detail. Panchayat delimitation and reservation seems manipulated to suit the party in power. Not only MLAs but ZP members have also started voicing their disgruntlement. Prudent analyzed the delimitation and reservation of ZPs in forthcoming polls to unearth the truth. The study exposes several discrepancies and manipulations while delimiting as well as reserving the constituencies. Today we present part 1 of our 3-part series, ZP Farce.
When we analyzed 2010 ZP constituencies reservations and compared it with constituencies restructuring in 2015, it is evident that BJP has structured the delimitation to double its ZP seats tally in several BJP MLAs assembly constituencies. This is clearly evident in many constituencies. Even ZP reservations has made it sure that wings of rebellions and opposition are chopped off. This is how it is planned. ZP seats doubled in Kiran Kandolkar's constituency. ZP seats doubled in Glenn Tiklo's constituency. Maya constituency gets 2 seats from 1. Pramod Sawant's constituency, ZP's raised from 1 to 2. Confusion in Porwari Saligaon Kalangut reservation. Panchayats from 2 assembly constituencies merged as Sukur ZP. Rohan and Michael Lobo cornered. Arpora Nagwa brought under Kalangut. Babush Monserrat's constituency untouched. Santa Cruz Taligaon kept intact. Now look at the number game. Many are upset and vocal that government used ZP seats reservations to combat their opponents in and outside the government. It will be revealed whether party in power succeeds in this or not only after ZP poll results are out. But number of several constituencies has been altered irrationally and reservations are manipulated accordingly. Same formula has been used while reserving seats for women. The women reservation system says after first, every 4th ZP constituency is reserved for women. ZP constituencies 2010 and 2015. Shivolim 12 in 2010 and 5 in 2015. Thivim 5 and 8. Panna de France 7 and 13. Reshmagush 8 and 12. Aldona 6 and 7. Maye 20 in 2010 and 21 in 2015. Anjuna 10 in 2010 and 9 in 2015. But number of all the constituencies are not changed. For some constituencies, only one number has been changed, while in other constituencies, there are no changes. A report series will also reveal how Ponda's placement in South Goa will impact reservation and delimitations of constituencies. Who will gain and who will be hit in the South? The second report of the series on Saturday. A senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
MGP is still awaiting reply to alliance proposal sent by the party to the BJP. It is more than 10 days that the BJP is giving deaf ear to this demand. MGP clearly looks on back foot as it is pleading for alliance every alternate day. Sudhin Daulikar agrees that the situation is uncertain and they might have to go for a friendly fight in the ZP election.
There is no concrete decision on MGP-BJP alliance for ZP polls. MGP is demanding 19 seats out of 50. That comes to 38%.
आज स्थिरता ना खंयचो सीट किंवा कितें युती जावची की ना हेतूच स्थिरता अजून वचून कोणी दिल्ली ना. ही स्थिरता साधारण 22-23 तारखे नंतर जातली आनी 27 तारखेच्यान फॉर्म भरपाचो.
MGP supported 18 ZP candidates have won in 2010 polls. Now MGP says if there is no alliance, then we are ready for a friendly match with the BJP.
एकूच आमचो शिरोडेचो जो हो आसा तो पडिल्लो आमचो त्या वेळार, पूण तो सुद्दां ताणें येवन आमकां मेळून आपलो सपोर्ट आसा म्हणून जाहीर केलो. म्हणजे सगळे जे फोंडा तालुक्यांतले सीट आसा पळय ते मोगो पक्षा कडेन आशिल्ले. आमचो मांद्रे मतदारसंघात खुद्द मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या हातूंत आमचो सीट निवडून आयिल्लो. आमचो पेडणेच्या हातूंत कोरगांवकार म्हणून तो एक निवडून आयिल्लो. अशे 13 आनी 5 जवळ जवळ 18 सीट त्या वेळार आमचे म्हणजे मोगो पक्ष आनी सपोर्ट ऑफ द इंडिपेंडंट अशें करून आयले. सगळेच कितें आतां सगळें जाय तशें मेळटा अशेंय ना. खंय तरी लोकां खातीर आमकां हें करचें पडटलें आनी नात जाल्यार मागीर फ्रेंडली कन्सेप्ट आसाच. फ्रेंडली कन्सेप्टूय तकलेंत आमी दवरिल्लो आसा, सगळ्यांनी दवरिल्लो आसा.
MGP had sent alliance proposal to the BJP on 14th February. Now MGP is awaiting reply from the BJP. BJP has not made a single move till now. Looks like MGP is interested but BJP is not interested. With Bureau Inputs, Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Crime Branch has closed Nadia Torrado death case involving Rural Development Minister Miki Pacheco after a probe for almost 5 years. Crime Branch has filed a closure report giving clean chit to Miki Pacheco, citing lack of evidence and Miki's victimization due to political rivalry. It was alleged that Miki has abetted girlfriend Nadia to commit suicide. Trial court is yet to give its verdict on the closure report.
Huge relief has come for Rural Development Minister Miki Pacheco as Crime Branch on Friday filed its closure report in Nadia Torrado death case. Nadia Torrado died in the mysterious circumstances in May 2010. Investigating agency in the closure report has contended that Miki Pacheco had no role in the death of his close friend Nadia Torrado. Next, in the second postmortem report, Crime Branch has concluded that Nadia Torrado consumed poison by mistake. Crime Branch has also mentioned that Nadia Torrado in her dying declaration had stated that she misunderstood the poison as the toothpaste. While giving clean chit to Miki, Crime Branch mentioned that his name was tracked in the case due to political rivalry. Nadia Torrado died on 30th May 2010 in Chennai. Miki was absconding for some time after the incident. But on 8 July 2010, Crime Branch had arrested Miki in this case. Later, the Supreme Court had granted him bail. Nadia Torrado was close friend of Miki. Family of Nadia Torrado at that time had claimed that Nadia met Miki just 2 days before consuming poison. Ultimate fate of the case is yet to be decided. It's yet to be seen what stand the trial court takes on the Crime Branch's case closure report. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.